Students, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are going to discuss the subject information technology of BBA semester 3. Especially sorry for uploading the lately because I have made some time to write the answers, to make your answers. So for that sake I am having some delay in posting the videos. Please don't mind, sorry for that. See, coming back to the unit number 1 what is the first question I have given? I have given OSI model. Okay, this is a easy answer for your long answer So OSI stands for operating system interconnection. Okay, so the operating system interconnection it is a framework. What it will do, from data travels from one computer to another in 7 layers. For example, this is my computer and this is your computer. So from this computer the data is transferring to this computer in 7 layers. How many layers you will have in OSI model? 7 layers. So it helps in different devices, different networks to communicate easily. So the first layer is physical layer. So what this physical layer does it deals with the cables, wires, signals, etc. Second one, data link layer. What it will do, any type of error you are having, any type of correction you need to do, that it will be checking. Third one is network layer. It provides the IP address. For example, if I am sending my document from my WhatsApp to your WhatsApp, these are the 7 layers it will perform, right? So fourth one is transport layer, end-to-end delivery. See, WhatsApp is an example. WhatsApp is end-to-end encryption. Whatever I am sending, that will be seen by you only, not in the middle persons. Okay, so fifth one is session layer. What it will do, it will make the and manages the sessions. Okay, sixth one is presentation layer. Presentation is nothing about the data formatting. It will do the encryption. Yes, it will hide your data from the hackers. And seventh and the last one is application layer. Application layer is nothing about the user interface, either email, browser, website, anything. Clear? So importance of this OSI model is nothing about the, it will communicate the standard, and it will have the troubleshoot networks, and it will be helpful for the different systems to communicate easily. This is the first important question from unit number 1 which I have given. Okay, and this is the easy notes as you can see, by reading only you can easily understand the answers. Okay, second question what are the different types of operating system? So operating system, what is mean by operating system? Whatever the hardware, whatever the software you are having, okay, it will manage your computer hardware and software. An operating system is a software which manages your hardware system and software system. In this type, the first type is batch operating system. So batch operating system, what it will do, it will execute jobs in batches, like first batch, second batch, like that. Okay, so that is one. Next one time sharing OS. Time sharing operating system, what it will do, it will manage the many users to share the document at same time. In the same time you can get that many users can share the system, right? And third one is distributed OS, distributed operating system. What it will do, it will connect to the computers. Multiple connection will be there in single term. Okay, single dantlo okote sari multiple connections ki connection ivvadam. For what purpose? To complete the task ni complete cheyaniki. Fourth one is real time OS. It will give the quick responses like robots, automation, like that. Okay, fifth one is network ORS. It will connect to the LAN, WAN networks. It will manages that networks. And sixth one is mobile OS, like any type of Android, any type of iOS, any type of smartphones you are using, for that case. And seventh one, multi-programming OS you are having. Multi-programming OS is nothing about the, like whatever the programs runs in the memory. Okay, it will have the multiple. At a time they can do more than one task. Okay, next multitasking, several tasks at same time. It can play the music, it can give the document, it can give the information. So it will do the multitasking at the same time. So what is the conclusion Operating system uses the different types based on the users, based on the purpose, based on the speed. Okay, so that's it. Okay. And the last question from unit number 1 is write about input and output devices. Okay, so a computer will have the input devices as well as the output devices. This is the common answers so that's why I have given only side headings. So input devices means, see here, keyboard, Yes, we will see the keyboard. What we will do with the keyboard? In keyboard you will have the keys from A to Z, 1 to 10. This is the keyboard, like this you are having, no? So draw the diagram of keyboard. If you are having mouse, in mouse you will have click, double click, scroll, everything. Yes, scanner you will have, microphone is the input device, webcam is the input device, light pen, the pen which will be used for the digital purpose. Yes, like in notepad or in iPad you will use that pen, no? That one. Touch screen is a input device, barcode reader is a input device. So this type of input devices you are having. You need to elaborate the answer. Okay, so next, output device also you are having. So output devices is nothing about the what is the processed information. Okay, like monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, projector, plotter. Okay, this type of things are the output devices. Okay, for example, if you are writing the monitor, okay, write 2 to 3 lines inside the matter by your own. What you know about the monitor? Monitor is a CPU, like that you are having everything, the data will be stored like that, you need to elaborate it. So what is the conclusion, ma? Input device is helpful to store your data, it will gives the data, and output devices will helps the users to receive the result. Okay, it will give the data, it will give the results. Okay, this is the differences between input and output devices. So this is the complete explanation of unit number 1, ma. If you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye, students. Number 2 of information technology BBA semester 3. The first question what we have having, ma, what about ethical and social issues raised in information system? So information system will have the ethical and social issues because it will have the it will maintain the huge amount of data, means it will store the huge amount of data, so it will have the ethical and social issues. So what is the ethical issues? Ethical issues is nothing about the, you are having the following, ma'am. First one, privacy. So privacy will be lost. Okay, privacy data will be connected without permission also. Security, like it can be stolen, your data can be stolen, it can be used for the hackers. Yes, used by hackers. Next, accuracy. Information whatever you stored in your system must be corrected and updated. Okay, accuracy must be there. Next, intellectual property. Any piracy, any digital content, copying digital content is there, that is also ethical issue. Misuse of data. Employee can misuse their company data for personal use. Yes, so these are the ethical issues where a thing will be faced. Next, what is the social issues we are having, ma? Digital divide. Digital divide is nothing about the gap between people and the technology, that is called digital divide. If outdated technology is there, that time these issues will be having in the social issues. Next, job loss. Automation helpful, automator will not be used, it will reduces the human jobs. Yes, because when you are using the system, work, many of the opportunities will be getting lost, no? So next one, health issues. With the help of these electronic devices, eye strain will be there, stress will be getting less, continuous use will damage your health. Yes, next, social isolation. Means people will depend more on the technology, they will stop trying to express their feelings to the humans, everything. So this is also a social issue. And the last one, addiction. Overuse of internet, games, social media will not be helpful for your circumstances, right? So these are the social issues. So information must be responsible to protect the rights and society of the future. Clear? So these are the first important question. Second important question is advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. What is meant by DBMS, ma? Database management system. So in this advantages you are in, first one, data will be secured. Next, data redundancy, means duplication of data will be reduced. Data, consistent data and accurate data, correct data will be given. Yes, easy data sharing, means many users can share their data easily. Backup and recovery will be done because it will store the data and it will restore the data also. Next, data integration. That means with data integration is nothing about the data from different areas are connected. Okay, connected between more than one person, one data. Okay, next one, improved decision making. Okay, so these are the advantages. What is the disadvantages we are having, ma? First one, DBMS cost high cost and it will be complex in nature. Okay, trained people must be there, skilled persons must be there. Yes, next, large size. It have the large memory size and storage, so that is the main disadvantage. Next one, performance issue. It will have a very less data, large database, so it will perform very slow in the giving the replies. Okay, next failure risk. If DBMS fails, whole organization will stop. No, so that is also one of the main important disadvantage you are having. Next, third question ma, what are the three levels of information systems you are having? So information systems is divided into three levels. In that, the first level is operational level. Operational level is used by the low level employees, which will be helpful for to perform their day-to-day activities. For example, accounting, attendance system, billing system, order processing. So this type of things, if they want to do, means they will perform this operational level. What is the main goal of this operational? Speed and accuracy is the main goal. Second level is management level. So management level is used by the middle level persons, like for example team leaders, managers, superiors, like that. What it will do, it will helpful for the decision making, it will helpful for the monitoring and controlling. For example, MIS reports, production reports, sales reports, okay, performance reports. Okay, so what it will do, the main goal of this management level is to improve their performance. And the last level is, you are having strategic level. Strategic level is used by the top level management, like CEOs, chairmen, owners, like that. For long term plan and policies, this strategic level will be useful. Forecasting, management analysis, business expansion decisions, for this it will be the best important examples. Forecasting is nothing about the prediction. Okay, you are doing the prediction. Okay, main goal of this is nothing about the future growth and strategy of your organization or your business. So these are the three levels of things you are having in information system. And the last important question is types of information system. The first one is transaction processing system. Transaction processing system is nothing about it will be useful for the daily routine tasks, for employee payrolls, attendance, bills, for that type of things. MIS is nothing about the management information system. Middle level managers will give the reporter to their subordinates. Okay, whatever the employee related data, customer related data, okay, it will manage the information. Next one, you are having decision support system. What it will do, it will helpful for your decision making. Okay, for that this decision making data analysis will be helpful. With the help of data analysis, you can take a good decision, appropriate decisions. Okay, next one, executive support system, ESS will tell. So what it will do, for long term planning, for long term achieve your goals and strengthen your organization, top level executors will execute this executive support system. And the fifth one is office automation system. That means if any automation system is there, for example, emails, documentation, communication in WhatsApp, if I am getting hi, if you are texting me hi, means I will send my automatic reply. Yes, like if I am keeping a comment link, means directly I will DM your link. That is called automation. That is called OAS. OAS we are using. And the last one knowledge work system. KWS. So it will be used by the professional like engineers, doctors, lawyers, like that. So it will be useful for the working system, working environment. This will be useful. So these are the questions from unit number 2 in IT subject. Clear? Number 3 of information technology, that is IIT BBA third semester students. So under Osmania University, this is the third unit. So first important question is, what are the audio and video formats? So in multimedia, there are having the different types of audio as well as the video formats. Okay, to store your motion pictures or else to store your sound, like that. So what is the audio format you are using? First one, this is the common one, as we all know, MP3. Okay, so what it will do, for small size like 320 kps, like for that 1020 for that cases, short for small size, it will be best one. Next you are having WAV, high quality uncompressed audio. So this WAV will be useful for the high quality pitch. Okay, next one, third one is AAC, for better sound quality rather than the MP3. This AAC will be useful in the mobile device. Okay, next fourth one, you are having VMA, that is Windows automation format. Automatically Windows automation format will be helpful for this VMA thing. And the last one is OGG. OGG is nothing about the open source audio format. It will have the open source audio format where you can easily understand whatever you are trying to get it. Okay, so these are the audio formats. Now coming back to the video formats, MP4. This is the widely we will use MP4 videos for good quality and small size. AV is useful for the high quality size for large files like more than 10 minutes video, 20 minutes video, 1 hour like that. And MOV will be useful for the Apple QuickTime video format, and MKV will be useful for the support HD quality if you want the videos. For that case MKV will be useful. And the last one is FLV, that is will be useful for the online streaming, like for example YouTube. Okay, so these are the various MP4 video formats you are having. So different formats will be used for the different quality, different size, different support system. So this is the conclusion of audio and video formats. Second important question from unit number 3 is multimedia devices and multimedia format. So what is meant by multimedia devices? Devices will be helpful to store, to create, to display the content of multimedia. Clear? So in this you are having the input and output. So in this thing we have already discussed in first unit. Input and output devices we have already discussed, right? So the same thing you are having here, same answer. Okay, microphone, scanner, webcam, digital cam, monitor, speaker, projector, headphone, like this. Okay, plotter, like that. Next you are having storage devices. Hard disk. In hard disk we can store in CD, DVD format, pen drive, memory card, we can store the data. Okay, so next one you are having what is multimedia data format? So multimedia data format is nothing about the text, audio, video, animation, GIF, anything. Okay, this all comes here only. Yes, so see here examples I have given. PDF is text. Text is nothing about the doc, PDF, TXT. Yes, image is nothing about GIP, JPG, PNG, like that. Audio formats MP3, WAV, AAC, right? Video formats MP4, AVD, MOV, like that. Animation GIF, GIF you are having, no? So that is the thing. So the main conclusion is that whatever the media, whatever the formats you are storing will be playable structure. So this is the important question, second important question. And the last important question is what is compression and decompression issue in multimedia? Compression is nothing about the reducing the size of video, audio or any emails files. Like for example taking the less storage capacity. Okay, so in this you are having two types. First one is lossless comparison, like for example no quality loss but the size of the storage capacity will be getting least. Second one, lossy comparison, some quality will be getting lost but file becomes smaller, like MP3, MP4, JPG. Okay, so these are the two types of compression. Decompression is nothing about the converting the compression file back into playable format. Okay, so you are having some issues over here. The first one is quality will be getting lost, processing time will be more. Yes, problems will be there, technical problems will be there, storage issues also will be there, and personal issues also will be there. Like for example HD videos if you are converting means high level of CPU power will be there. Okay, so conclusion is nothing about the compression saves speed up and sharing with everything. Okay, which will carefully to avoid your problems, which will helpful to avoid your quality. Clear? So these are the questions from unit number 3. Okay, 4 of information technology, that is IIT BBA semester 3 under Osmania University. The first question is internet architecture explained with example. So what is mean by internet architecture? So internet architecture is nothing about the components or else any layers which it allows the computers to communicate with each other. Okay, if one computer is communicating with another computer, whatever the structure, whatever the components are there, it will be helpful to, it allows them to communicate, right? So in this you are having the layers. This layers answer we have already used in first unit only, OSI model. Okay, in this the first one you are having application layer. Application layer is nothing about the user by users, like for example YouTube, WhatsApp, email, websites, Instagram, like that. Okay, second one transportation layer. Transport layer is nothing about the where data can safely between it will send the data safely between two computers, like for example UDP and TCP. Next internet layer. Internet layer is nothing about IP address, router. Yes, with the help of routers and networks it will send the documents or it will share the data. Next one you are having network access layer. So network access layer is nothing about the network, with the help of network, like for example cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, like that. Okay. Example, ma'am. See here I have given the example also. When you open www.google.com, the browser send the request to the application layer. Then the data will be broken. Okay, in the data packets. Okay, data packets, it will be getting the thing. Next it will give the IP address. Then finally the Google server through the network, and it will paste the loads. So this much process will be happen if you are searching anything in the Google. Clear? So the conclusion of this is nothing about the internet architecture helps the devices to run the smoothly, to communicate smoothly with the layered protocols. Okay. Second important question is, ma'am, differences between browser and a server. So browser and server, a software used to websites, whatever the things is there. Like for example, I have given Chrome, Google, Firefox, this type of things. Okay. So it will run the business in a unique way. It will display the web pages to the users. It provides the web pages. So simple explanation will be, when the customer who asks about the product, a server is like a shop who gives the product. For example, if you are requesting anything to the server, it gives you the answer. Means you are asking, it is replying. You are asking, it is getting replying, like a shop and a owner, like that. Okay. And the fourth and the last important question from unit number 4 is architecture of www. So www stands for World Wide Web. So it is a client server protocol. So client will be there, server will be there. So what are the components you are having? First one, client is there. Client is nothing about the person who is requesting for the page. For example, Chrome, Google, Firefox, etc. Server is nothing about the who receives that request and who gives the answer. Client stores website and send them to the client. Next, HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, we will tell. What it will do, it will communicate the language between server and the browser. Next, URL, uniform resource locator, you are having, ma. Uniform resource locator is nothing about it. It will address the web page from where it is having that. Okay. Next, HTML, hypertext markup language. It will use the actual content. So how this www work means, user enters URL in browser. For example, any URL or any link you are pasting in the browser. So what the browser will do, it will do the HTTP request, then it will search the requested web page, then server sends the web page back, then it will shows the page. So these many things will happen if you paste any URL in the Chrome or a Google. So example, ma, here www.youtube.com if you are typing. So the browser will send request, YouTube server will respond to it, then browser will display that. So this many things will happen. That is called www architecture. It helps it allows to easy access your log documents from client and server system. So these are the questions you are having in unit number 4. Okay. Unit number 5. Introduction to Information Technology, BBA Semester 3. So the first important question is, importance of audio and video conferencing. So audio and video conferencing has many importance, many advantages. It allows the people to communicate in real time without physical meeting. If we both are connecting here, I am explaining, you people are listening. So it is an advantage only, no? So there are having many advantages with audio as well as the video conferencing. So what are the importance you are having? First one, it saves the time. It saves the expense also. Means time will save, cost also will be saved. No need to travel for the meetings. Everything happens online. So this is the main important. Next one, improves communication. Seeing and hearing each other's increase clarity, like reduces the misunderstanding. Yes. So next one, support remote work and online classes. So teams and students will connect the online classes, discuss about their business, discuss about their project works anywhere in their circumstances. So remote working will be there. Okay. Next one, quick decisions can be made. If a direct meeting is nothing possible, means if I am having any doubt, I'll call and I'll ask. Fast decision making I can take it with the help of this audio and video conferencing. No. And the last one is global connectivity. So people will different countries can able to elaborate, collaborate, communicate easily. So these are the various disadvantages you are having in audio and video conferencing. Easy answer, ra. Next important is wireless communication. So wireless communication is nothing about the without using wires, without using radio waves, without using cables. You are using only microwaves, radio waves and signals to send the data. Okay, to send the data you are using only microwaves, radio waves, or any infrared signals. Okay, so wireless communication, what it will do, it will transfer to the signals through the air. Okay, through the air it will transfer to the signals. So a receiver device captures those waves and converts them into usable information, like for example text, video, data, like that. Clear? So these are the things. For example, what is the example? Wi-Fi, mobile phones, Bluetooth, satellite connection, radio and TV broadcasting. Yes, digital connection, projector. This type of things will be the examples of this. So what is the features you are having? Ma, first one, ma, mobility is nothing about, it can be connected anywhere and it can be moved freely. Next, easy installation, no physical wise is required, no, it will be easy to install. Next, cost effective, it saves the money, reduces the expense also. Yes, and the last one is supports multiple devices, many users can connect at the same time, it can be attached with to share the documents also. These are the features of this one, ma. Next and the last one, you are having benefits of Microsoft Access database and spreadsheet. So you are having various benefits, ma. First one, it will be easy to create your database, suitable for small businesses. It will be elaborate for your large amount of data also, like for example structured data, anything like that. And relationship between table, it will maintain a clean, structured, organized table, ma. Next, quick form and reports, it will give reports automatically. Okay, without having so much time, it will give the reports automatically. Multiple users can use the system at the same time. Clear? And spreadsheet benefits, spreadsheet advantages is nothing about the, it will be useful for the calculation purpose, for budgeting and the planning it will be useful. It will be data sorting is nothing about the organizing your data patterns. Yes, and visual reports will be there, graphs, pie diagrams, charts, everything like that. And simple data entry, so rows and columns will make the data input easily. So these are the various advantages or benefits of the spreadsheets. So these questions will be more than enough for your examination. If you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.